This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Game patched, DLC installed, and your character at least level 45 so damage and resistances match. Once done, load your latest save and fast travel to the island region that triggers the Heitor storyline. Make sure to clear nearby bandit camps to avoid interruptions, then approach the NPC with the quest marker and accept the side mission that begins the harp acquisition chain. This first step sets the entire chain in motion and opens the next objectives. You proceed by completing the mid-quest tasks that tie the story together. Investigate marked locations, recover the 3 relics, and interrogate the suspect to learn Heitor's whereabouts. Along the way, you'll enter a guarded cave where stealth helps avoid reinforcements, but heavy fighters can brute force it too. Once you've assembled clues, follow map markers to Heitor's camp and be ready for an escort segment or a timed escape. These steps funnel you into the final confrontation and the drop table that contains the harp. You finish by engaging Heitor in the boss encounter. Focus on interrupting special attacks and exploiting stamina windows so you can land heavy hits. Once defeated, search the corpse or nearby chest for Heitor's harp. Pick it up and then visit a blacksmith to apply engravings or an upgrade to reach the desired stats. If the harp does not appear, reload a prior save, ensure the quest completed properly, and verify the DLC/world state. This resolves most missing item problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.